San Miguel, good morning!
Hi! Good morning!
Of our wisdom, and we ask for your
So welcome to our Winning Attitudes in the Workplace seminar today.
Let us all give a hand to Coach Tony Miranda.
Your ways of doing things. Alala niyo, I will open my heart. And then the third one, you have to think. I will open my mind, I will open my heart to become a better version of me. To see first yung winning hand. Oh. Diba? Yun ang ibig sabihin na pag 5 actually telling you your natural desire. Which means, if the situation calls for a
And our gaze towards the right shoulder for a nice
Coach, we have a surprise.
ano yun? Thank you. I cannot process the emotion of taking this. Yeah, crumple the paper. Shout it out! O, kanta ba? O, arte na! Yeah!
Is now. So make sure you spend
We use A. Ha, 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 ha. We... Isa na kayo. Yeah? That's just because you're not able to manage time or if you don't have enough time. Isa pa tawa ng tawa. Okay, so... Yeah, one more. Yes, I... 4, 3, 2, let me there.
Thank you so much, Nan and Sir Jake, for sharing your knowledge and experience.
You enjoyed the training. Yes. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Ma'am. Thank you, Miss Tony. And I hope...
Happy.
Go! Go, harap! Yay!
Alright!
Hi! O yan, pauwi na. May pahabol ako sa inyo bago natin tapusin itong vlog na to. Joke time! Para medyo relax naman. Okay, ano to? Yan. Ano nga? Pusit. Yeah, pusit. So kung pusit to, ano naman ito? Opposite. Eh ano naman ang tawag sa pusit na nabuntis? Ha? Ano? Pusit na nabuntis? Hindi mo alam? Eh di... positive. Positive. Buntis ka, positive ka.